Okay, so our shelves are in, and I'm just going to give a couple tighten twists to show what I mean by tightening things up. I think for me the thing is just trying to make sure the bolt on the back catches. And as long as that's not spinning, you're in good shape. So you're just going back and forth. And you can see they were super loose, so I still have to do the whole back. That was a lot of turns, but now we're starting to get, you know, now it's starting to hold itself. So, but the thing is depending on its position, you might have to push it this way, so loosen it up and then scoot everything back if your shelf gives you problems when you're trying to put it in. Yeah, so now let's put in some stuff. Gotta get the internet back up and running. Okay. Perfect. Shelves are done. We're going to be moving into... There is a clip I have to put back on. Let's do that before we get any more equipment in. There are 4 clips total, but I only took one off, and we'll put that back on and show everyone how to do that real quick.